Welcome back there, guys. In the last video, we were looking at how we could break numbers apart. In this video, we're going to build on that concept and bring them back together. And in doing so, I'm going to show you how you can add up two-digit numbers. Again, this is something that's going to take some practice, but I'll show you how it goes. Let's have a look. So we would have 46 it's made up of 4 tens or 40, and 6. And 24 is made up of 2 tens or 20, and 4. Notice again that what's on this side of the equal sign is the same as what's on this side of the equal sign. Rather than writing all this again over here, I'm just going to put an equal sign, and what it's meaning is this is the same as this, and then that will be is the same as whatever's here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to change the order of some of the numbers. Let's have a look. So I can have 40 plus 20 plus 6 plus 4. As you can see, the numbers on the second line are the same as the numbers on the first line, only I've just put them in a different order. And we know from before that that doesn't change the result. It's just putting them in a different order. In the next step, I'm going to start putting numbers together. I'm going to put the tens together and I'm going to put the ones together. 40 plus 20 plus 6 plus 4 is the same as, if I put these tens together, we've got 4 tens and 2 tens, so we've got 6 tens. So those two together, and these two together, plus 6 plus 4 is 10. So now we've got 60 plus 10. And it's the same as what we had on the previous line. Now I'm going to put another line in. 6 tens plus 1 more 10 is 7 tens, or 70. And that's my final answer. Now that's one way that I can get the answer. Often with maths, there's heaps of different ways that we can get to the same answer. The reason I've chosen this way to do it, even though it's probably not the easiest way, is because I want you to get really good at breaking numbers apart and putting them back together. The more that we practice that, the better our number skills are going to be. Time for another example. 29 plus 34. Breaking both of these numbers into the tens and ones, we're going to get 20 plus 9 plus 30 plus 4. Once again, what we've got on the left-hand side of the equal sign is the same as what's on the right-hand side of the equal sign. All right, let's move on to the second step, which is rearranging our numbers. We're going to say is the same as 20, and I'm going to put the plus 30 next. So I've got the tens together, and then I'm going to have plus 9 plus 4 is the same as, in the next step, we're going to bring the tens together and we're going to bring the ones together. Bringing the tens together, we have 2 tens plus 3 tens, which is going to give us 5 tens or 50, plus 9 ones plus 4 ones, 13. We could think 9, 1 more for 10, and then 11, 12, 13. 13. I'm just going to make these numbers just to show you what that's going to look like. That would be 5 tens, 50, and 13 would be 1 10 and 3 ones, which is going to be the same as 6 tens and 3 ones, which we write as 63. Sometimes it's a really good idea just to look back over your work. So let's have a look. 29 plus 34 is the same as 20 plus 9 plus 30 plus 4. Happy with that. Is the same as 20 plus 30 plus 9 plus 4. That seems good too. It's just rearranged from the first line. Is the same as 50 plus 13. I'm just going to put a line under the ones to show that that's the 13. That gives us a final total of 63. Just out of curiosity, I'm just going to see if I make the two numbers in the beginning, we get the same result. And look, when I put those two numbers together, I could put that one there, push them across, and look, it's exactly the same. Ta-da! So like I said before, breaking numbers apart and putting them back together, it's a really useful skill for you to master. So keep practicing until you get really, really good at this. Have a go at the attached activity, and I'll see you in the next video.